What's good, y'all? Today I'm finna be doing some technical analysis on VIVK, VIVK. This has been everyone's been blowing me up on Discord about this ish. We're finna check this one out. Now as you can see, this is a definition of a penny stock, bro. But I like to start my technical analysis on a bigger time frame, so the 12-month chart, right? You know. As you can see, inside candle, usually the high or the low gets taken out. Once one gets taken out, for instance, the bottom got taken out, usually it likes to trade to the upside. So you can find a nice target up there. You know what I'm saying? Then we got another one down here. It hasn't been taken out yet. As you can see, actually, I gotta take a look, man. It actually looks like it might have taken it out. No, just short. It might take it out tomorrow. Or it might never take that out. But also I like to find my gaps on the higher time frames, For instance, you got a yearly volume imbalance. Price likes to trade. Price does like to trade to that range, so that can be another target. Now as you can see, it's 30 cents. I mean, that $1.50, it's like a 5x, 500%, 600% move, man. But it just depends what and how you want to trade. Now I don't know why everyone wants. There must have been some news on this. Announces about 5 million registered direct offering price at the market. I'm not sure what that means. I can't lie, but I like to go through my gaps. 3 month, there's a gap, right? Just to organize it, know what you're looking at, and I like to make sure you label your ish so you know what you're looking at. 3 month. Then we gotta go to the year. 12 month, so we know 12 month. Now let's drop into the monthly. I mean, this is bearish still, but you're buying at 29 cents. So you're risking, 29 cents to make dollars, which is hundreds of percents, man. Thousands of percents, bro. So, it's good risk to reward. You just got to know what you're doing and looking for, Now on the weekly chart, actually, let's check the monthly. Yeah, the weekly chart, bro. If we can get it closed inside the yellow orange box or above it would be perfect. On the weekly, that would be bullish. But you see how it created that nasty wick. It's in the order block. Technically, I guess that is an order block right from there to there. You know what I'm saying? It's a big order block. So it's not a bad entry, but I'm gonna draw my ranges out, Okay. I like to draw my quadrants, my Fibonacci lines. Now, what is reciprocal to a monthly chart? A daily chart, guy, right? And so these are like perfect price levels. You can see how price reacts damn near perfect to these levels. Now, there's no such thing as a perfect level, but these are pretty close to perfect you can get, guy. Now you can see on the daily. Let's check them weekly. There's a gap right here on the weekly. That's a gap. You're like, clean, that's nothing. That's a gap, man. You want to show signs of bullish, or why you want to get in. That's a good sign. Looks like it closed above that weekly gap today. Had a chance to close below it 2 days in a row now. Even today. Look at that nasty shit. I guarantee you that wick was early in the day. Nope, it's around lunchtime. Okay, so opened up here. All right, that makes sense. I mean, you just got to see this gap lines up damn near perfect with this gap right here, or this line. But what was this? That was a weekly gap, right? And we got to close above, and it still closed above. That's bearish. So, buying there, it's not a bad buy. Now I'm going to erase these quadrant lines because we already know it closed below this one, but it didn't close below that weekly gap. So I'm now going to draw the range of the swing low to the swing high, or the high and the low. Let's go to the hourly chart to break it down even more. So you can see this range, it's under the 50% line. What is the 50% line? It's the discount from the high or the low. Now, if this was a low move, the discount would be buying up here. But since this was a high move up, the discount's down here. Now, it doesn't mean you buy, because it's below you still gotta make sure it's lining up with your ish. I mean, took out this one right here. But I would say you can expect a pump up. Now, how high? I mean, I think it's going to go to this orange gap, or it could come down to 19 cents and close this gap, or even trade below this green line, which was the yearly inside candle. It hasn't took out that low yet. Almost did, but it didn't. But anyway, man, I think this is gonna pump at least into this gap. There's just a lot of gaps right here. Look at all these gaps. Gap. This is a FVG on the weekly or monthly, whatever it was. But anyway, man, like, subscribe, help me get to Miami.